Hey guys, just a really quick video today. Today I'm going to show you how to make some American style buttercream. This buttercream is so easy to make. I've had a few of you guys ask me how to make it. I use this buttercream mainly to cover the outside of cakes with. I also use this buttercream to turn it black as well. I'm going to do a separate video for that. And I also use this buttercream. I personally like using this buttercream to make buttercream flowers with. I personally find it a lot easier to pipe buttercream flowers with this kind of buttercream because it's a bit of a stiffer consistency. And I find I have a little bit more control using it compared to using Swiss meringue buttercream. So to get started for this recipe, I'm going to put all of my butter in my mixer. I'm using salted butter because I find American style buttercream can be a little bit too sweet, and I find the salt can kind of offset some of that sweetness, and I find it a lot nicer. But you can use unsalted butter if you wanted to. I've just put it in my mixer and I'm mixing this on a medium speed for about 5 minutes, just until it gets a little bit more of a paler colour and it sort of volumized a little bit more as well. As you can see here, it is a slightly lighter colour. Once it's a lighter colour, I can start to add in some of my icing sugar. I'm going to pour about half of my icing sugar in there. The amount of icing sugar you use is just double that of the amount of butter you put in. I will leave the measurements of what I use particularly in this video in here though as well. So I'm mixing this on a low speed at first so I don't end up with a massive cloud of icing sugar all over the place. And then once that's incorporated, I can add in the rest of my icing sugar, starting on a low speed again at first. And then once it's mostly incorporated, I'm going to mix this on a medium speed for literally about 30 seconds. It's really important with American style buttercream that you don't over mix it, because otherwise you end up with lots of air bubbles in there, which can be quite problematic when you're covering a cake or piping buttercream flowers with. So here I'm adding my flavouring. I'm using some vanilla and I'm also adding in some water just to thin it a little bit because it's a little bit too thick for me personally, and I'm just going to mix it all through. Some people like to thin it through with some milk. I personally prefer using water because when you use milk it shortens the life of your buttercream to about 3 days. You're going to use it for about 3 days. If you use water, your buttercream will last for literally like a week. That's pretty much it, and like I said, I like to use this on buttercream flowers like I did on this cake, and I'm also going to show you, like I said, how to make black buttercream, which I use on this cake also, because I had loads of you ask me how to make black buttercream. When I've got the black buttercream video up, I will link that to this video also. Like I said, all the measurements are in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out, and I'll see you guys with another video this week. It's going to be a cake tutorial, so I hope you all have a lovely week, and I'll see you on my next video. So until then, take care and bye.